So I'm showing now the mail I sent on 24th of September 2021, and there are two reasons why this email is very important. So first reason is that this is primarily for the president of Higher Instance Court in Smederevo. So to this day she refused to act and send me the full cases related to monstrous murders of my family. She was just sending the her decisions, as can be seen in other videos I created. So today is, I just need to add time reference here. Today is 6th of July. To this day I still haven't received any of my documents, any of cases related to monstrous murders of my family, and the monster who murdered my family started poisoning them in 2008. So this can be considered the beginning of cases of monstrous murders of my family. I explained everything else, what was happening in the meantime to this day in other videos, so I won't go into details. So again, this video is in this email are important for two reasons. As I said, the first one is that I mentioned here something that eventually president of the court did. So I was invoking the law on actually it's here, law on criminal proceedings, article 281 DA paragraph 3. If crime report is filed to the police, I need to check out this, what's the right word. So I can say the prosecutor which is not in charge, but I just want to see if there is another term. Non-competent people, I think that is not the right word. I mean, it sounds strange. Anyway, so again, if crime report is filed to the police, non-acting, I can put it that way, or state attorney, non-acting state attorney, or in other words, state attorney that it's not in charge of that type of crime, or to the court. So most of the people don't know that you can also file a crime report to the court. They will receive, meaning that they will put it in their archive or archive, whatever is pronounced, and immediately, this is the most important, one of the most important parts of this part of the law, immediately forwarded to prosecution or prosecution office in charge. Eventually she did that, and I will show it right after I'm finished with this video. She did that in May, I think 2022, so last year, because she didn't have any other choice. I explained what she did in the meantime, how she tried to avoid this. So she filed, so not a regular judge but president of High Instance Court, which doesn't deal with citizens but only with the decisions of a lower instance court. So this is a major deal, of course. So she filed crime report against herself, which is the scandal on its own. I don't know if this happened probably in the history of judiciary. I have a video on that, but I think I haven't included this part, this email. And the other, I need to see what's this. And the other important, very important part of, yeah, this is the proof that I can put everything on G drive, because everything that's larger than 25 megabytes automatically need to go to G drive, because they are pretending they don't know how to use G drive, as they were cherry picking my crime reports I sent, and even after that they were cherry picking part of that crime reports that I sent. So the other important part is, I just need to, yeah, this is my Twitter, this is not important. So another important part of this, very important part of this email is the following.
Phone calls or their how's the case going? Prosecutors can't ignore their phone calls or their letters. They have to say, here's the status of the case, or they have to respond in some way. There's a number of other rights that are listed in the Act, but one of the key ones pertaining to this case is the one where they are to be notified of any impending plea deal. In this particular
Okay, this was Julie K. Brown,
case,
who was the author of that. I mean, she is controlled opposition. I will create video on her and that other lady, Conchita Sarnoff, yeah, and of course on the Wiki Ward. They're all controlled opposition, but I won't go into details now. So, as can be seen here, the prosecutors cannot ignore me. They need to answer everything that I ask, because every time I ask something to explain some of their decision, because when they send me the decision, in most of the cases the only thing I find is some general statements, like we weren't able to identify any sort of criminal behavior in acting of some individual or other prosecutor, and so on and so on. So when I asked to give me more details on that, they simply ignore me. This is why I gave this example. So this is international law example. So they cannot get away with all those explanations that they have right to ignore me. They obviously don't have, and again, this is the best proof I could provide. So the rest of the email is yeah, I stated here, it's Crime Victims' Right Act, and so on and so on. Well, this is basically something I already explained in other videos, so I won't go into details. Yeah, this is also important. So actually there are three pieces of information that are important here. This is the tweet from Ministry of Justice where I added my videos, where I posted my videos, but I found recently they removed everything. It's empty. But unfortunately I have videos on that on my channel. So if I type DOJ as Department of Justice, you can see here those videos, these first four, or no, without this, these 5 videos, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, actually 4, yeah, 4 videos. Without this one, this would not really, this one is not really related to I think to that tweet, but these 3 are. So these 3 videos are actually about that tweet I showed, and one of the videos posted within that tweet is this one. So they eventually removed everything, all the replies in this, which I'm not surprised. They removed all the replies within this tweet. One more time, this is tweet from official Twitter account of Ministry of Justice, Department of Justice of United States. So official DOJ Twitter account, privacy policy, and so on. Okay, so I cannot open it here. Wow, this is amazing. This is really, really amazing. Homeland Security Department, blah blah blah. Okay, so I cannot know. I don't have access now to it. Of course, I'm not surprised. So actually, this video, sorry, this email has 3 important, very important parts, and now I'm showing it one more time. This is the list of recipients. I need to show that for completeness. It really doesn't, it's not different from the list in other videos recorded after 16, including 16th and after 16th of June 2021. So as I promised, I will now go to, one more thing. This is the same date. I just forgot to add high instance court where this lady is president. I forgot to add them into the list of recipients, so I just forwarded everything to her, because as explained here, they blacklisted me, so I haven't bought them, and because they have the same, I think the same IT experts quoted, so both her court and lower instance court, elementary court, blacklisted me. I don't know, I think I have video on that. Yeah, blacklisted me. Here it is. Okay, so after they blacklisted me, I don't know, I stopped sending them emails. So I started again sending them emails from here, and this is everything that I posted to that point. And I won't go into details about this because these are the emails, basically people who blocked me. I explained that in other videos, so I won't go into details here. This is something that I posted last year, so this deserves separate videos. So this video will end here, but before that I need to do something that I promised at the beginning of this video, and this is the decision of it's one sentence, sorry. So this decision of the president of the higher instance court, I explained who they are, to forward everything related to case of monstrous murders of my family according to the part of the law I stated before. I explained in another video related to this decision why she did that. So again, President of Higher Instance Court basically filed crime report against herself. Okay, so this is I guess the best place to wrap up this video. So we'll just continue with next email from that email thread, but as I said, this will be in a separate video.